what you want to do is get your little claw going. So tuck your fingers under, hold your vegetables or your fruits, and you want to just rock it like this and keep that tip on your knife like this. It is going to rapidly speed up your prep work, which is one of the reasons a lot of us don't cook, is because we say we don't have time. So the reason I'm giving you these tips is I really want to show you all these time-saving things so that you will get in your own kitchens. Okay, I'm going to move the cutting board aside. Green onion. Onion is really, really good for you. Onions are anti-inflammatory, and they also are very good for cardiovascular health. So all onions in the onion family, and that's, green onion, white, yellow, purple, and even garlic, leeks, scallions, they're all in the onion family, and they're very good for cardiovascular health. They actually help lower blood pressure, and they open up blood vessels. So get on your stinky breath and eat something in the onion family, every single day, and your heart will thank you.